Good afternoon, it's Gary from ironfind.ca coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2011 Peterbilt 389 long nose highway tractor. It has 764,826 kilometers with 9,808 engine hours. It has a Cummins ISX engine, 525 horsepower, 1,850 torque. It has a Jake brake, full diff locks, an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 18918B. The front axle rating is 12,000 pounds on axle model D1202W on spring suspension, and the rear axle rating is 40,000 pounds on axle DS440P on low leaf air suspension. The rear axle ratio is 3.70. Tires all the way around are 11R 22.5. They are brand new. The rims are aluminum all the way around, inside and out. They are Durabrite rims. The wheelbase is 245 inches. It has twin fuel tanks, 150 gallon and 110 gallon, with a 70-inch double sleeper. The CVI is valid till December 31st of 2014, but a fresh CVI will be provided with the new sale. The engine was rebuilt by Peterbilt at 576,000 kilometers. The balance in warranty, it has an extended warranty, the balance left over is 39,000 kilometers, and the warranty balance on the rears and the transmission is 435,000 kilometers. The unit was used for line hauling tandems from BC, Alberta, down to California. We're going to do a general walk around of the unit, then we're going to come up close for a tight inspection. The unit has been very well maintained. It's in excellent condition. It's a rich black color. And the unit is immaculate inside and out. I did have an opportunity to have a look at the unit before the video. There was a minor accident earlier in the year. The driver hit a deer and the bumper has been replaced as well as the fenders. There is some minor damage to the rear fairing, and I'll show that when we come up close for the inspection. Let's come up nice and close. We're going to come right up to the grill. Looks to be in good shape. Maybe a couple of very small bends here and here, very minor. We're going to pan down the driver's side of the unit here and follow the new bumper and up the passenger side of the unit. Again, this truck looks to be in superb condition. We're come up to the hood here. I'm going to come up tight on the new fenders. They look like a lower design. Beautiful condition. I'm not seeing any dents here. The air cleaner. And the mirrors. Also no cracks or chips. Steps up to the cab and the passenger side are nice and level. And absolutely no problems in the paint. Looks like the fuel tank was painted here as well. And let's just pan up the body of the sleeper. I'm not even seeing a scratch in this unit. Beautiful condition. Let's come up behind the unit. Access is nice and level. And the rear of the unit, exceptional. A couple of small dents here and here, very minor. And Come behind, give you a view from this angle. We're going to step back here. Let's take an overview of axles 2 and 3, and we're going to come up between them, right up to the Peterbilt low air leaf suspension, right here, and we'll pan underneath. Come right up and take a look here. Again, 40 rears. Not seeing any leaks. And let's come up between axles 2 and 3. We're on the driver's side. I won't show you the tires in the video. You'll see them in the photos. They are brand new. Hookups are in order, and it has a minor step up here, small one. It's in good shape. Now we're going to pan the body here of the sleeper. On the driver's side, there is some minor damage to the fairing. I'm going to come up close. Right here. Again, very minor. Steps up to the cab. There's a minor dent in the very first step here, bit of a crack. I just noticed that. Let's go up the cab here. It's looking really good. Mirrors are in good shape. And the hood here also appears to look good. Let's go inside the cab. And I like a no shoes policy because I know what I'm going to see. First, I'm going to show you the upholstery. It's in good shape with the exception of a minor rip. And let's take a look at the panel here. It has been customized. Lots of chrome. This unit is in very good shape. It's immaculate in here. Now we are losing a light. So what you can't see in the video, you will see in the photos. The light is on in the sleeper here, so we should be okay. It's very clean. We're going to go outside. I'm going to start up the unit and we'll show you under the hood. And there you have it, another great piece of iron from ironfind.ca. Thanks for watching.